Students, good morning. Welcome back to our St. Thomas video classes. Today we are going to start our unit 16. We have seen in our last lecture unit 21 idioms. I hope you finished this chapter exercises in your notebook. So बच्चे, let's start the chapter 16 negative sentences. So बच्चे, in negative sentence we already seen previous lecture before this chapter unit 15 sentences, the parts of sentences and how to prepare question sentence and change statements into question, change the following questions into statements, and we aware about this tense, how to change and what we use. You know, when this sentence given in past tense, so we use helping verb did. When the sentence given in present tense, we use do, your or does. Okay? If sentence given in present tense, first person, so we only use do for making question, preparing question. As per that, these rules you keep in mind, and how to convert this statement sentence into negative sentences. A negative sentence has words like not, no, nothing, none, etc. These words we use for negative sentence. I do not like to play. I do not like to go to school. None of these, no. So we use these words for negative. It is used to deny or contradict something. I did not leave the tap open. So I use here did. And did with use base form of the verb. I explained now in that chapter 15 sentences. So बच्चे, as per that, we use not, no, nothing, none, etc. And also we use that rules. So okay बच्चे, look here. The following are the various ways to form negative sentences. First one, put note after different forms of the verb. Be, to be verb form. Do you know? In present tense, am, is, are, was, were, will, shall. And also, should, could, may, might. Okay? We use with not for negative sentence. Rama is a doctor. Rama is not a doctor. Do you know? This short form is not, then isn't. You can also write isn't instead of is not. For preparing negative sentence, Zakir was late to school. Zakir was not late to school. Zakir wasn't late to school. So when we prepare the negative, we use not after to be verb form. Am, is, are, was, were, will, shall. Okay बच्चे? I am very tall. I am not very tall. I am not very tall. Understand बच्चे? When we use with to be verb form, so put not. Okay. The short form I am not is I am not and not I amn't. Okay. Keep in mind. Next rule. To form negative sentences in the simple present and simple past, we add do not, does not or did not before the verb. I explain now. When third person singular, he, she, it and singular name, then we use does. And with does not, we use base form of the verb. Understand? So we do these examples. Understand बच्चे? I love bananas. I do not love bananas. I don't love bananas. So बच्चे, here I, first person singular. So we use do not. Karima plays the violin. So first keep in mind which is the subject. Karima. Karima is a girl. Singular. So we use Karima doesn't play the violin. Karima does not play the violin. Understand बच्चे? Here first we know about the subject. Karima is a third person singular in present tense. Plays. They put verb with s or es. So बच्चे, here we use Karima doesn't play the violin. Next, Shankar caught a cobra. First look at the subject. Shankar is a third person singular boy name. And then you check verb. Caught. Main verb is a caught. It's the past tense of catch. You catch a ball this way. Shankar caught a cobra. So here we use past tense helping verb did for making negative, preparing negative sentence. Shankar did not catch a cobra. With did and does, we put always base form of the verb. Understand बच्चे? Okay. Next rule. If the verb is made up of two or more words, put note after the first word. Manu is eating dinner. Manu is not eating dinner. Easy, isn't? Anu will go to sleep now. One thing you keep in mind. When we put will with not, it's short form want. Okay? Anu will not, Anu won't go to sleep now. Don't put want want. Here want want. Will not want. Okay बच्चे? Understand this rule? If the verb is made up of two or more words, put note after the first word. Okay. Next rule. Put do not before the verb in an imperative sentence. I explain now. Imperative sentence means express, command, order, respect. And we have to understand. Please give the glass of water. To whom we say you. So understand here subject you. So here we put with imperative sentence for making negative do not. Okay. Put the flowers in the vase. Do not put the flowers in the vase. Don't put the flowers in the vase. Okay. Sit down. Don't sit down. Okay. With imperative sentence, we use don't, do not. Okay, बच्चे? So, as per that, we go exercise A. Rewrite the following as negative sentences without using contractions. So, बच्चे, see, look here. Rahul and Anjali go to Delhi for Diwali. So we have to use here do not. Rahul and Anjali do not go to Delhi for Diwali. Why we use here do not? Because Rahul and Anjali, they are plural, third person plural in present tense. So we use here do not, more than one. It's plural now. Understand now? Okay, bachche. I hope you understand. You remember singular, plural. We studied now before these chapters. Okay. So here Rahul and Anjali do not go to Delhi for Diwali. Next, put your books on the shelf. Which sentence is? Yes, imperative sentence. So what we use? Don't. Okay. Do not put your books on the shelf. Understand? Good bachche. Keep it up. Okay. We go next number 3. We will go to the beach on Sunday. Here the given will. So we use want या will not. Out of 2, any negative form you can use. Okay बच्चे? We won't go to the beach on Sunday. Next, Bala has a new bag. Bala hasn't a new bag. To be verb form, has have. Do you know no present tense? Present perfect tense. We use no has and have. Okay, good. Now next, fifth one. I am feeling tired today. So, what we write here? I am not feeling tired today. We can't do am not short form, but we can put I apostrophe and am. I am for we put short form, but am not as it is. I am not feeling tired today. Okay, bachche. So, here we studied that much these rules, negative sentence definition and exercise A. In next video we will see exercise B, C, D. Okay bachche, complete this exercise in your notebook. No need to write this definition of negative sentence. Okay bachche, take care, stay home, stay safe.